Our commitment to the future is to focus on technology, high productivity, and sustainability every single day. ArcelorMittal Bioflorestas was created to support this commitment, using state-of-the-art technology in charcoal production for the steel industry, providing a highly efficient, low-cost, low-carbon form of energy. Currently, our production aims to meet the demand of the Juiz de Fora facility with a bioreducer. This results in the annual production of 240,000 tons of charcoal from renewable forests, which cover about 65,000 hectares of areas available in the company's own units. In addition to these areas, the Vazante unit complements the demand for charcoal. Of the total area, 59% are allocated for forest planting, 32% are environmental reserves, and 9% consist of roads and structures. This complex activity begins with the genetic improvement of the eucalyptus to generate robust, fast-growing trees with properties that provide the ideal charcoal for the production of pig iron in a sustainable manner. The production process is long-term and begins with the preparation, correction, and enrichment of the soil until it is ready to receive the seedlings produced in the nursery. Every year, about 5,300 hectares of eucalyptus need to be planted. The stands are monitored at each stage of tree growth, which takes 7 years to reach the point of harvest. During growth, trees sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through the process of photosynthesis. Currently, ArcelorMittal's planted forests remove 2,400,000 tons of CO2 from the atmosphere, equivalent to the emissions of 1,900,000 cars. During the harvest, 500 trees are cut per hour, which, after being transferred to the edge of the plot, are cut into standardized sized logs. This wood loses moisture for about 8 months until it reaches the ideal condition for transformation into charcoal. This transformation process takes about 15 days between carbonization and cooling in masonry kilns. There are 230 furnaces in the company's units, and each furnace produces around 1,000 tons of coal per year. After 5 years, the kilns must be completely reconditioned to recover their production efficiency. The gases generated from the kilns are sent to the burners, where the process of eliminating the greenhouse gas known as methane takes place, thus reducing gas emissions by 99%. Currently, 53% of the ovens are connected to burners. The goal is to reach 100%. This is a process that requires careful planning and an efficient execution, involving around 1,100 employees working in a synchronized way. In addition, the operations contribute to the development of nearby cities and communities, where ongoing relationship and socio-environmental responsibility actions are carried out. ArcelorMittal Bioflorestas is duly recognized and certified. In line with the company's purpose, it has been growing, improving, and expanding its production capacity for 66 years, while studying and developing technologies to increase production, preserve the environment, and reduce carbon dioxide emissions, thus contributing to the production of steel with intelligence, sustainability, and commitment to the future.